It's day 6, y'all, for our 12 days of Christmas cookies. This one is close to the top of maybe being one of my favorites. And I will bet some gumdrops that maybe y'all have made this recipe before. But if you have not, I can't wait for you to make it. They are delicious. They don't look anything Christmassy, but they are wonderful cookies to have in the house for your guests and for you. So we're going to start with 4 sticks of butter. This is called a potato chip cookie. And you know that potatoes always need a lot of butter, right? Am I slinging it all over? All right. Now I'm going to add my sugar. Very basic, simple ingredients. And I'd also bet that you got a bag of potato chips in your pantry. All right. We're going to add our teaspoon of vanilla.
It's a lot of butter.
It is a lot of butter. That's what makes it so stinking good, Eddie. You and I have been together long enough to know that that's my favorite secret ingredient, right?
It's a lot of butter, and my camera is actually kind of like fluctuating because of the brightness of the butter.
So we're going to add our flour to our butter. All right, Eddie. I have to stop and turn that around. Boy, that butter makes it slick. It mixes together easy. I've got like a cup and a half of crumbled up potato chips. So I'm just going to fold those in there. Hate to break them up any more than they're already broken up. I'm just going to do one more little squeeze. As do you think, Teresa?
I know they're soft.
I'm just going to do one more little squeeze because I don't know if I got any in the bottom of it. That's my story and I'm sticking to it, y'all. Now we're going to do like a rounded teaspoon. And it's so important, y'all, when you're baking your cookies that you make them all the same size, because otherwise, if you make them all different sizes, some will get overdone, some will get underdone. So you want to be consistent in your size of your cookie. So I'm going to come in here with my fork, but I want to make sure I flour it so I can flatten my cookies, because see that dough will stick in there. Just flatten mine a little bit. Give them a head start. Because you notice there was no leavening in these cookies, just plain flour. All right, y'all. A 300-degree oven. It says like 18 minutes, and it's been since last Christmas since I made potato chip cookies. So I'm just going to keep my own. 18 minutes seems a long time. But we're cooking them in at a lower temperature, too. Look at these potato chip cookies, y'all. You want to cook them until they're just kind of a light brown around the edges. And you remember I put a few more extra chips in them, because I just felt the need for speed, y'all. Sorry, y'all, but I started without you. I'm on my second cookie, potato chip cookie. Look how beautiful they are. I mean, they're just real plain looking, but after they cool, you want to sprinkle them with powdered sugar, and it just dresses them up a little bit. And you could cut a maraschino cherry in half and put in the middle, maybe make it look a little bit more crispy, Christmassy. Or you could sprinkle them with some little beads. But let me tell you something. This cookie don't need all that jazz.
No, they're good. Just the way it is.
This is the most buttery cookie you will ever put in your mouth, y'all. Crunchy. So good. Please put this on y'all's list if you haven't already tried it. How can something so plain and simple taste so dadgum good, y'all? Merry Christmas and love and best dishes. I think this is number 6 down the drain. We're half through. If they keep getting better, I'm not going to be able to stand it, y'all.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.